Actually, you sound kind of hot. I was wondering if I can have your Facebook name.
Sorry?
Can I have your Facebook name? You sound kind of hot. I'd like to get to know you.
Really? Just that quick, huh?
Yeah, I mean, you have a nice voice.
Really? Okay. Thank you. Have you called here before?
No. It's my first time. I'm new to the area.
Okay.
So, yeah, I actually just called to order a pizza, but you just sounded kind of hot, so I decided, hey, I might as well get your Facebook information. Maybe you can be friends.
Okay.
All right.
We are closed right now, unfortunately. So.
Well,
I'll that.
well, yeah. Okay, so what's your Facebook name?
They won't let me do that.
What's your Facebook name?
What's that?
What's your Facebook name?
What's whose name?
Your name on Facebook?
Oh, my name on Facebook.
Yeah.
Oh, my name is Jeremy.
Jeremy?
Yeah, Jeremy Hahn.
Jeremy Hahn?
Yeah.
Can you spell that for me?
Yeah, it's H-A-H-N, last name.
Oh, okay,
You
so,
know how to spell Jeremy.
um,
Jeremy.
wait, hold on, let me look it up. What are some of your hobbies while I type in your name? Wait, Jeremy with a J?
Yeah. Yep. And E-R-E.
Uh-huh.
M-Y.
M-Y and H-A-N?
Oh, J-E.
No, your last name.
Yeah. Oh, H-A-H-N. Sorry.
H-A-H-N.
What was your name?
My name?
Yeah.
My name is Sig.
Did you say Katie?
Yeah.
Katie? Okay.
Do you go to East High School?
Sorry?
What school do you go to?
What school do I go to?
Yeah, I found a couple Jeremy Hans.
Oh, I don't go to college right now.
Oh. Yeah,
Not high school. I can graduate.
your name is kind of unoriginal, but
Familiar?
yeah, it's
Okay.
okay. So, what are some of your hobbies?
I actually graduated from Lake City.
From
It's about like an hour in here.
oh, what city is this?
Sorry?
What city?
What city?
Yeah,
Oh, do I live right now?
yeah.
Oh, I live here in Traverse.
Where?
I live in Traverse.
Travis. Okay, so can you tell me some of your hobbies?
South Garfield. Huh?
What are some of your hobbies?
A hobby?
You sound like you play baseball. Do you play baseball?
Well, I don't know, I guess I like fishing. I like
Oh, fishing.
different things like that.
I'm actually a vegan and I'm an animal rights activist, so
Are you?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you're pretty serious about that, huh?
Yeah, to an extent, but I have a couple fur coats.
You have a couple friends that do fish? Stuff like that.
Yeah.
Occasional. I don't go out every.
Yeah, like I own some fur coats, a couple, but I mean that's just,
Oh, okay.
don't we all?
Sure.
But otherwise, I'm completely like pro animals, I actually did an ad for PETA.
Or where? Or PETA?
Yeah.
Really? Okay.
Yeah. I model in my spare time.
Really? Okay.
So what do you look like? Would you say, you're hot?
That's pretty good one.
Oh, really? So you have a pretty high self-esteem. I'm looking at these, Jeremy Hans, and none of them are.
Looking at my profile.
Well, I'm trying to find you, but what high school did you graduate from?
Well, this says, oh, okay. Sorry. This said in, I don't know how you find me, really,
What high school did you graduate from?
Lake City.
Lake City. Um,
Lake City. My coworkers. Anyway, you got phone number, buddy.
hey, can you give me your number? I can call you sometime.
Oh yeah, sure. It's area code 231.
231
231. Yep. 920.
920
920
6020.
No, it's 920
Uh-huh.
6067.
6067. Okay. So that's 231-920-6067.
That's right.
Alright. See you later, alligator.